Next question. Discuss the significant difference between the Himalayan and Peninsular rivers. Answer: the Himalayan rivers. So all we know, the whole Indian drainage system are divided by two parts. There are one is Himalayan river system and number two, that is Peninsular river system. Now here we saying about the differences of that two main river system of India. Number one, they are never dying rivers. They get their water from both melted snow and torrential rain. This is for the Himalayan river. That the sources of all the Himalayan rivers is the Himalayan glaciers. So they have their water from the river for the river course whole through the year. So they are never dying river. The main source of water of Himalayan river are the glaciers and the rainwater both. But for the peninsular river, they are water is only available during specific season. They rely entirely on rainfall. So the peninsular river, the sources of water of peninsular river only depends on the rainfall. They exhibit massive erosional activity in the upper course. So all the Himalayan rivers carries many large course of water. That's why they exhibit a massive erosional activity, just like potholes or waterfalls or uh, just like V-shaped valley, I-shaped valley. All they are formed in the upper course of their main river course. But for peninsular river, they take no erosional action in the upper course. As the river carries not so much water of the peninsular river, there is no erosional action in the upper course of the peninsular river. Next, they take a Carcius route from source to mouth, and for that their route is more direct. So for the Himalayan river, they has make their path like in the meander form. Many can take a Carcius route. That means there is so many meanders in their path. But for the peninsular river, their route is more direct. That means the Himalayan river are just like that, and the peninsular river are flows directly, most probably. They carry a substantial amount of silt and sand which is replenished annually by floods. So the Himalayan river carries much silt and sand from the rather than the amount that is carried by any peninsular river. It is larger amount of Himalayan river. So they carry substantial amount of silt and sand which is replenished annually by flood. But for a peninsular river with no significant plains, these rivers do not carry a lot of silt. Fertile lands are found only in the tiniest delta areas. So all the sedimentary part of the all the deposition part of the river Ganga or the Himalayan river has made many plains in the northern plain of India. But for the peninsular river, all the rivers, if we observe all the river pathway, we have never found any plains has made in the along the pathway or the river basin of the peninsular river. Tiniest deltas areas, in the tiniest deltas area, fertile lands are found very small. And next, as a result, they contribute to agricultural success. That is very common for where we found the fertile land or a plain land, which is very useful for the agriculture, that is generated by the all the Himalayan rivers in the northern plain. But for the peninsular river, there is no any formation of fertile land by the peninsular river. Next, the Ganga, Indus, and the Brahmaputra are the three major Himalayan rivers. So, for example, of Himalayan rivers, the main leading rivers are the Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. And for the peninsular river, the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and the Tapi are the notable peninsular rivers.
You can get all the notes from our website. So go to skillyogi.org. The link is in the description below, and you can easily get NCERT CBSE quick notes and question bank for yourself. You can buy the book from Amazon or Flipkart, or you can download the PDF for easy learning. So go to our website skillyogi.org and order today. The link is given in the description below.